Hello there, this is Neon here. Welcome to PEREGRINART, the art of pilgrimage to transform lives. Of course, I'm so excited about sharing all my experience about pilgrimage with you in this year of 2023. That's why this collection of videos just for you. All right, I hope you can take your notepad. Let's talk about the PEREGRINART notepad. What do you think about that? Just take your notes. Really, just write down. Writing down is the best exercise ever to your brain to absorb all of this knowledge, all of this information that I'm so happy to share with you in this year of 2023. So, video number one, woohoo! The act of pilgrimage. All right, have you heard about pilgrimage? To go on a pilgrimage. Have you felt the calling about going on a pilgrimage? What is pilgrimage for you? Let's talk about everything right now in this video. Topic number one. What does it mean to go on a pilgrimage? What do you think about that? You know? What do you think? What is that? Okay? Okay, I share with you my feelings about that, my experience about that. For me, going on a pilgrimage is allowing yourself to go deep inside of you, deep inside of your heart, of your soul. It's about self-knowledge. It's about inner search. It's about healing. It's about a lot of things together. It's about, providing you exactly what you need. It's about getting out of your comfort zone. Yeah, we'll talk about this. We will talk about all of this and this beautiful collection of videos. All right? Okay, but now we focus about pilgrimage. Go on a pilgrimage. Okay, in a historical or cultural meaning or point of view, going on a pilgrimage is when someone goes, towards a sacred, holy place. All right, can be Santiago de Compostela, St. James Way, can be Rome, can be Jerusalem, can be Fatima, can be Lourdes, can be a lot of places. You have places in India, all over the world. You have sacred place that people go on a pilgrimage. But here in this collection of videos, we will focus more on the St. James Way, or Camino de Santiago, the famous Camino de Santiago. All right, but there are more. There are much more about pilgrimage paths. Okay, St. James Way. Do you think it's just that one that comes from France to Santiago that the famous writer Paulo Coelho have done and other people have done, and so wrote some books about it, and so people comes from their countries to much more, much more. I'm here in Portugal, and a kind of new Camino, new St. James Way, just 5 years old, that comes from from Algarve to a place in the middle of the country, and then the pilgrim can continue with another way, by another way. Okay, so there are several, just to say that are several St. James Ways, Caminos de Santiago, from Portugal to Santiago, from Spain there is a lot too, from France, from Italy, from Germany, from Poland, from Russia. Yes, you can come from Russia. That's crazy. Yes, I know, but that it's possible. All right, depends on how much time you have. Me, for example, I have done in 2019 my biggest pilgrimage so far, from Lisbon to Rome, 7 months walking, and it has changed my life. Yes, if you have time, I recommend strongly just go on a pilgrimage for a long period. Okay, but we will talk about that, about short ones, long ones. All the videos are ready to share with you all the information about going on a pilgrimage. Okay, let's talk now about other routes. You have the La Via Francigena, for example. I have done in 2020 when I came from Toscana to Rome. So it is really beautiful path, really signs, infrastructure. It's a very wonderful one. If you do all the way, it's from England to Rome, Camino de Roma. Yes, in France, for example, there are several places that just one road, just one path, and to the right, Rome, and to the left, Santiago. That's amazing. That's amazing. Jerusalem Way. Jerusalem. You can go from Santiago to Jerusalem, 5,500 kilometers. Amazing, lovely. When I did from Lisbon to Rome, around 1,000 kilometers. Well, imagine to Jerusalem, Camino de Fatima in Portugal, to Lourdes. Just to say, there are several other routes, okay? And so, you know, the end of this video, the last topic is, what about pilgrimage today? Yes, it's going better and better, you know, especially the St. James Way, a lot of infrastructure, you know, you have everything. We will talk about that in other videos, but you can come easily to go on a pilgrimage, to go on your own transformation. I hope you can do it very soon. Okay, and I hope you like it, you enjoyed this video. I like it so much to start this journey with you. Please put on the comments everything that you want to know about pilgrimage. If you have done some pilgrimage, how many times? If you've never done, you know, just let me know till you go. We can go further and further, deeper and deeper in your own preparation to do the Camino, to go on a pilgrimage, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have more information about pilgrimage in this year of 2023. Thank you very much for your company. I let a big kiss in your heart, and buen camino, peregrino. Bye bye.